back for Duckies for Duckies cooking contest. Okay, it's not a contest. I don't know why I named it like that, but it's a cooking thing. So what we're gonna do today is did the same as last time. Cut it in the middle. Okay, cut it in the middle. Okay, that's what you do. Cut it in the middle. Then you grab chocolate. Hold on, let me. If you have chocolate stuck, take it out, please. Okay, so grab chocolate, and this is chocolate double chocolate. This is chocolate double. Oh, yeah, chocolate double chocolate. Okay. It's good. I'm dying. Okay, so there you go. But then that's not all. Grab double chocolate. You're gonna have to use your fingers and make sure that you wash your hands because no one wants to taste your dirty hands. Hands, yeah. Yeah. So just spread it around.
Give me it.
Okay. And then grab more chocolate. Hold on. Junior, you better not eat it. Junior! Well, he just ate it, so let's just pretend this is the same exact.
This is how it looks like.
No, he just did it. No, that's not how it looks like. Okay, so. Okay. So.
That is good.
And this was not part of the plan, him eating and making it funny. I'm not. It wasn't. I was trying to show you how it would look like when you had to eat it.
It's not that.
Yeah, kind of. Oh, and this is just to show you how if you're really hungry, you know, when you're home and you're just home alone, then you have a slightly chance and you have Rice Krispie with chocolate. You can make this. Or hot fudge. So, remember, guys, enjoy cooking. Come to me. And if you like these, please subscribe and like.
Oh, yeah.
So this is how they look like. Double chocolate chocolate. Now, would you like to taste it?
Yes. Excuse me, it's just on me right now. Dude, this might taste good. So good.
Okay, so he liked this. So thank you for watching. And I have chocolate.
Make me more.
The problem is, I don't like chocolate. Never mind. Wait, I have to make it.
Oh.